And also we would like to thank most of all the FG for inviting us. You know, when we hear of movies of Kim Chiu, we have silent desires and wishes to be invited. And tingnan mo naman, nadidinig naman yung mga hanap ng aming mga bata, hindi lang mga bata, mga madre na din. So I was mentioning to the FG people this afternoon na almost lahat ata ng teleserye ni Kim at ni Sia, napapanood na po namin. Ano tayo mga avid fans din ng mga teleserye nitong dalawa. So, first of all, I would like you both to know that you bring smiles, you bring laughter, you bring joy, even to the sisters before we go to sleep. Diba, sabi nila, if you are smiling and you are happy watching a movie before you go to sleep, you sleep well, diba? And you become healthy. Kaya tuwing makita namin si Kim, saka si Sian, ang latest ata nila inaanak kapatid, no? Oo, updated. Updated. Saka yung mga Binondo girls, yung lahat ng mga Kim. In short, Kim, we really, and Sian, we really appreciate your talents. You're really God-gifted. And we hope that hanggang tumanda din kayo ni na si Susan Roxas, you will still be having your movies and you will still make people happy because you are using your God-given talents. And sabi ko nga, ito mga college students namin, ito tayo nga kayo, palakpakan nyo naman si Kim sa Australia. Alam mo yung mga college students namin yan, ang absent yan sa klase nila. Nag-condition po yan kami. They can see the movie as long as hindi pa baba ang grades nila. And they said they will. Basta makapanood lang sila. Ihawan yan when I announced to them that we are invited to come and see the movie. They filled the whole corridors of Hospicio de San Jose with their excitement. Ihawan sila. So they are really very happy. Sila kanila nagdadagdag dyan sa mga ingay dyan sa screen. Typical teenagers. So anyway, Sian, can I invite you? I gave also Kim during her birthday a medal. This one is special because the miraculous medal was touched in the chair where the Blessed Mother sat when she appeared to St. Catherine Laboret in our mother house in Guduba, Pani.
Inggit kami.
Or Facebook. Kasi ito mga secretaries ko kasi every time these movie stars come to Hospicio for shooting, they see to it that the condition is they should pass through the admin office first. Para may picture naman ako with them. And then they made it to the Facebook. Sister Cory with the stars. Ganito kasi kami ni Chi, meron na kami ang birthday niya. Ngayon naman kami naman siya. Siya dumating ng birthday ni Kim. We were expecting you.
Meron nasa ko noon. Malayo po ako noon.
Mars?
We appreciate that this day that we are here with you. And I hope that you will have more birthdays to come. Okay. And again, congratulations for your talents. Talagang napapaligaya po ninyo kami every time we see you on screen. So, thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Sister Maria Socorro Evidente. Since Sir Alex is already here, let's call on Sandy Veloso, shall we? Let's call on Sandy Veloso and of course, Binibining Joyce Bernal. Direct, come and join us, please. Earlier, they were asking me if they press the button once, they would get the butler. If they press it twice, they would get the VJ. If they press it thrice, they may get who? Ramon Bautista. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for CNM and Kim Chiu with Binibining Joyce Bernal. Hi, Kim. Hi, Sia. Nice seeing you again. Hi. Right. Direct, congratulations. What a wonderful film. Let me pass on the microphone to you. Your message to your fans and to the beautiful people who speak in San Jose.
Sa mga fans ni Sian, tsaka sa mga sisters, pasensya na po sa mga mura. Sa mga fans ni Sian at tsaka ni Kim, maraming salamat sa inyo. Siguro, hanggang December, nagpa-black screening pa tayo, no?
Hanggang next year pa.
Parang hindi kayo titigil hanggat nila ako 100 million na tayo movie. Pero salamat talaga. Sana magkaroon kami ng ganun time ni Sian at ni Kim to say thank you to all of you. Yan na lang yung word on namin. Okay?
Maraming salamat po, Direk. Thank you very much. Kita po, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, we're passing the microphone to Sandy and Sir Alex.
Ayan guys, thank you. Siyempre, lagi naman kami nag-thank you. And alam naman namin na wala kayong nakukuha anything back. You don't get anything back for doing the black screenings. Talagang puso lang po talaga to. This is all for the love. So, Gachi, maraming salamat for all the trouble, for all the time na binigay niyo, siyempre. And siyempre yung members of the press natin, nandito siya. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. And meron din po pala, meron ditong Philharmonic Orchestra na saan po sila. Yes, ayun. Mag-one teacher. So thank you sa kina mother.
Mommy. Sister. Mommy. Mother Teresa.
Sisters, maraming salamat po, sisters, for giving me this and for supporting the movie. Ayan, maraming salamat, Kanji. You guys always touch our hearts. Maraming salamat.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sandy Veloso.
Maraming pong salamat. Maraming salamat po. Siyempre sa Pat G, grabe, pag ilang black screening na to. Pag ilang beses nyo na po itong mapanood, grabe, sobrang maraming salamat sa oras. Siyempre, kasi meron kayong sariling trabaho, ginagawa, pero nandito kayo lahat ngayon para mapanood yung black screening. Pero maraming salamat talaga sa lahat ng suporta, lahat ng pagmamahal, sa Free Force, sa Twitter, sa Instagram, sa social media, grabe. At sa pera na binubuhay nyo dito sa mga black screening, grabe. Hindi naman alam kung paano namin kayo papasalamatan. Basta maraming salamat. Basta, I love you all!
Siyempre guys, bigyan naman natin ang isang napakalakas na palakpakan siguro sa Direct Joyce. Dahil
celebration right now. Sia, Direct Joyce, and Kim. Let's stay beside the cake right now. And earlier, I asked you guys to prepare for your vocal boards because we're going to be singing Happy Birthday song. Can we all do that? Alright? Yes.